Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set the watch face with the custom image on this device. Let's start by opening the HUAWEI Health app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on Devices right here at the bottom. Then select our HUAWEI Watch 3 Pro from the list of devices. And here we have Watch Faces category. Tap on the More button. Now let's tap on Mine category, right here at the top. And here we have list of watch faces installed on our watch. Find the one that's called Gallery, right here. Tap on it. And here we can customize it. We can add a picture we want to use as our watch face. To do it, tap on the plus button right here. Now you can select the camera option to take the photo with the camera, or gallery option to choose the photo from the gallery. I'm gonna select gallery, allow the permission for the storage. Here we have the folders. Let's open the download folder, and here we have a picture. Let's tap on it to select it, and now we can crop the image. Basically, we can move it around, center the image in this circle. Whatever is in this circle right here, the visible circle, it's gonna be on our watch face. Basically, you can also you can only move it around. So basically, you can move it right, left, right. Maybe if the picture is bigger, then you can move up and down, but I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna recenter it like this, and once you're done, simply tap the check mark right here to confirm. And here we have a preview of our watch face, as you can see. You can also tap on style right here at the bottom to customize the style of our watch face, basically the style of the text on it. You have quite a few options. Let's select this one, for example. Then we can go to layout option, and here you can select top or bottom layout, like this. And then we have features, and here we can basically change which widget is gonna be shown below the hour. We have steps, not sure what that is, maybe timer, another option, battery, calories, heart rate, stress, I believe, and no feature at all. Select the option you like. I'm gonna select, for example, battery, so it was right here. And once you're done customizing your watch face, tap on save to save it and apply it on your watch. And here we have it. And that's how you set the watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.